Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. JD here once again. This will be my entry video into Adam at Sodak Model Cars naked model group build for 23. I have a couple of kits I had in mind. Was thinking maybe a Tamiya kit. And then I watched Adam's video yesterday about kind of the premise of the build, and I had another kit that I was thinking about doing. It's a Lindbergh with the 2000s Z28 kit. I was thinking about building that, and then I was, as I said, I was watching the video, and he was talking about building a kit as you would when you were younger, when you were a kid. And when I was a kid, I liked to build monogram kits. My very first kit that I can remember building was the monogram Red Baron custom street rod. But it came with the Hot Wheel. That was the very first car that I remember building. And I built that, never painted it, and I think if I remember correctly, I assembled it with white glue because I didn't have any plastics, normal plastic cement. So I have in my stash a couple of older, they're not older monogram kits, they're repops. This one is a 2010 kit, but I'm going to be doing the Tom Daniels monogram iced tea kit. I've never built this kit. I've had this for a while. It looks like it's a very cool kit. It is, oh, oops, decals went sailing. Molded all in yellow. Has some black tires still in the bag. Has two sets of tires, nice big slicks. And some skinnies for the front. Lots of chrome. Whoops. Some an ice cube. That's very cool. And this is perfect for right now because it is like pouring kittens and puppies outside right now. I had planned on doing maybe doing some modeling today, but a lot of the stuff that I need to do needs to be painted outside. Like my primer, the paint on my USAC build, and the primer on it needs to be done outside because I'm spray canning it, and my spray booth isn't big enough to spray very well indoors. I'm looking forward to doing this. I don't know how fast I can knock this out because I think it starts on December 1st, runs to February 29th. This should be fun. I haven't built a kit with no paint in a long time. And I like this because it's something I would have built when I was a kid. I'd like to thank Adam for putting this on. This should be a blast. Hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I have an IPMS meeting to go to tomorrow. And should be a lot of fun. Everybody take care. See you later. Bye-bye.